Hello, how you doing? We're not going to hang about today because this is really tasty, really simple, and really easy to make. We've got some pesto spaghetti. We'll have it done in seconds. Well, maybe not. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're going to go straight in on this one. Really simple. I've got some olive oil in there. Be fairly generous with the oil because it's kind of part of the dish. You know what I mean? We're not just starting off with this. We want plenty in there. I've got a cup of onion sliced. We're on an above medium heat. I've got some garlic there, just under a tablespoon, maybe a couple of teaspoons. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. Three minutes. Beautiful. Cooked spaghetti or a pasta of your choice. Got about 3 cups there. We're going to go for another 3 minutes stir frying this around. So easy, so beautiful, so tasty. Okay, we're now going to drop in some pesto. Now I've got a tomato type pesto, i.e. that's why it's red, not green. There are several different types you can get on the market. Now I did make a video on pesto. I actually made some a couple of years ago now, I think. I'll sort that link out if I remember and stick it on at the end. But yeah, it's from a jar, this one. The tomato based one. Look at that, fabulous. 2 more minutes, keep it moving. Super fab, off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in some Parmesan now. So I've got some grated Parmesan cheese here. If you want, you can get some anchovies in there. You can get some other little vegetables cut small, like some bell peppers or something. Some olives chopped. That's it, job done. Serve that, delicious. So I've served that with a little bit more Parmesan on the top and some parsley, flat leaf parsley. You can get some fresh basil or something on the top there. That's really simple, delicious, cheap, yeah, tasty. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.